welcome back to my channel. Myself Alina Ahmed. Today I am going to make tutti frutti with the watermelon's rind. It's very easy to make. It tastes really good. Everyone likes it, especially children like it. To make this, the ingredients we need are watermelon's rind, a bowl of sugar, vanilla essence. You can use rose water. I have used here vanilla essence. This is totally optional. Let's start with today's video. So first we are going to remove the green and the red part of it. So after separating, I have cut the white part into small pieces like this. You can cut it the way you want. Now we are going to wash it very nicely and then put it in a pressure cooker and let it cook until 2 whistles. So as you can see, I am putting it in the cooker. So I have put it in it and I have already added a glass of water in it, and I am now going to put it until 2 whistles. You can also use a pan instead of a pressure cooker and cook it in it for 5 to 10 minutes until it is half cooked. So as you can see, I have cooked it and strained it and transferred it into a bowl. Now I have taken a pan and now I am going to add a bowl of sugar in it and 2 bowls of water . You can also add 3 bowls of water in it or more than 3 bowls of water in it so that it can dip in it nicely. Now we are going to put the pan on the gas and make sugar syrup. You can see I am making the sugar syrup and it's almost ready. And now I am going to add my tutti frutti in it and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. In between of 10 minutes, I am going to open the lid and put few drops of vanilla essence in it. And let it be there for 1 to 2 minutes only. And after 10 minutes, now I am going to turn off the gas and I am going to let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes. After cooling, I have transferred it into a big bowl, and now I have taken here 4 bowls, and now I am going to transfer this tutti frutti equally in these 4 bowls. I have taken here 4 bowls because I want to make the tutti frutti of 4 different colors. You can take it according to your choice. So I have put the tutti frutti into 4 bowls and now I am going to add the 4 colors. So the first color I am going to add, it's orange. So the next color I am going to add is red and I am going to mix it. In this bowl of tutti frutti, I am not going to add any color. I am going to leave it like this. After drying, it will be made of white color. In the last bowl of tutti frutti, I am going to add green color. Now I am going to leave these for 1 to 2 hours like this so that it can easily absorb all the colors. After 2 hours, we can see that the tutti frutti has absorbed its colors. Now I am going to strain all the tutti frutti with the help of a strainer, and then I am going to take another type of strainer like this and put it on it so that it will be completely dry. I have kept it on the strainer, and now I am going to leave it to dry in the sun or under the fan. But don't dry it too much, otherwise it will become hard. Friends, I have dried it on a strainer. If you don't have a strainer, you can dry it on a plate or a tray. As you can see, it's dried so nicely and it's looking so colorful and beautiful. Here I have a tip for you. If you want to make the colors of different shades, then you can add the amount in different quantity. As you can easily see the difference between these two orange colors. I have added the same orange colors in both of them, but I have added a less quantity of orange color in this Tutti Frutti. So you can also see the difference between these two white colors. I have not added any color in these two white colors, but I have dried this white color more than these white colors. You can use this colorful Tutti Frutti to make cakes, shakes, candies, jam and any other sweet dishes. I have used these Tutti Frutti to decorate my dried fruit custard recipe. If you have not seen that video, the link is given in the description box. Here I have decorated my Tutti Frutti in another pattern, and it is also looking very beautiful. I hope you like the colorful Tutti Frutti recipe. If you like the colorful Tutti Frutti recipe, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.